Hi again. So hopefully you found lots of different things to build frames out of and bubble ones out of, and we're ready to start making a bit of a mess. The first thing we need to do, of course, is make our bubble mixture. Now to start out with, I've actually got a nice tray, and this material here is the same 1 to 6 mixture of bubbles that I've been making. I've got a biodegradable straw. You might have paper straws or something similar. And all we're going to do is start by seeing what sort of shapes the bubbles will make on a flat surface like this. So what you might notice when you start blowing bubbles in this way is when there's only one, it'll start to form a round dome. But try and notice what happens when you have 2 bubbles touching or more. And then if we move on to our larger blowing of bubbles, I'm going to start with what you all might be familiar with, in fact, which is this little bubble wand. And these bubbles here, just like the first big one that we blew, they're nice and round. And that's because bubbles like to try and save space. So they have quite tight surfaces, something known as surface tension, and it means that being round is the best shape that they can possibly be. So I want to test now these different shapes and see, will bubbles that blow out of squares or triangles or cubes still be round? So this one you can see, as it dries, creates a square shape. Let's see what happens when we blow a bubble through it. There we go, they're round even though they're coming out of a square wand. Let's try some of our cube shapes now. They still become round. I mean, I've tried a few different shapes here, but I've got plenty more to go. I've got one I made of pipe cleaners, one that I made of a paper straw. I'm going to carry on trying, and we'd love to see your videos and photos and stories of where your curiosity took you.